Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by closing knowledge gaps. Focus on Python, SQL, and Git immediately. Learn why probability and linear algebra matter for model intuition, not just formulas. Once done, choose a single measurable project and prepare your environment: Jupyter, Virtualenv, and a clean dataset. Make sure to write reproducible code and document assumptions. This speeds learning and creates artifacts you can show. Start coding within days, not months. Prioritize doing over perfecting. You now move into shaping data and experiments. Explore features, handle missing values, and create reliable pipelines so results reproduce. Train a simple baseline model, then iterate with hyperparameter tuning and cross-validation. Understand why each change helps or hurts. Make sure to track experiments and commit code to Git, and add unit tests for core data transforms. Once stable, compare metrics against baselines and document trade-offs. This builds the technical narrative interviewers want to hear. You finish by shipping a working demo, wrap a model in an API, containerize with Docker, or deploy to cloud for a live showcase. Practice explaining decisions. Why this metric, why this feature, and where the model fails. Those answers matter more than perfect accuracy. Make sure to network and publish your project with clear README and results. If progress stalls, a key troubleshooting tip: isolate the bottleneck, data quality, model capacity, or evaluation mismatch, and iterate on that one issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.